Are you tired of boring one-angle streams? Imagine the excitement of multi-camera live streaming. It elevates your content and keeps viewers engaged. Streaming with multiple cameras adds depth, versatility, and professional polish to your videos, making them unforgettable. Whether you're streaming sports, religious services, or art tutorials, multi-cam setups bring your content to life. Ever watched an action movie from one angle? Boring, right? Your audience will tune out fast unless you keep it dynamic. Multi-camera shots create interest, tell a story, and keep viewers glued to their screens. Multi-camera streaming is for everyone. Engage your audience with live videos like religious services, sports events, podcasts, and product unboxings. With Multicam, your viewers won't miss a moment. Want to start? First, plan your content. Know your goals and desired shots. A shot list will keep your stream organized. Next, gather your equipment. You don't need fancy gear. Your smartphone, webcam, tripod, and good lighting will do. Don't forget quality audio as well for a seamless experience. Now think about transitions. A flowing stream is engaging. Use software like Switcher to easily manage angles and graphics, keeping your broadcast professional. Before going live, practice. Test everything to ensure it works smoothly. A quick rehearsal helps avoid mistakes during the actual event. Are you ready to transform your streaming? Dive into the world of multi-camera setups. Try Switcher free for 14 days and elevate your live streams today.